Hello! This video takes me off my normal stamping ground and was something of an opportunistic flight as I happened to be in the area. Clifton Campville is well off the beaten track, by which I mean served only by country lanes, in the far eastern extremity of Staffordshire. Derbyshire, Leicestershire and Warwickshire are but a stone's throw away. The village owes its existence to the River Meese and the lush farmland surrounding it. The Norman Church of St Andrew is regarded as one of the finest churches in Staffordshire. It's Grade 1 listed and dates from the 13th century. The magnificent spire, supported by flying buttresses, is a medieval addition from about a century later and is 65 metres high with 104 steps required to ascend it. The weather vane, 210 feet from the ground, was installed in 1723. One of its 15th century rectors, the Reverend John Stafford, ascended to become the Archbishop of Canterbury. The tower contains 6 bells, 2 of which date from the 17th century, but apparently the structure of the tower is such that ringing them is no longer possible. Disaster struck just before Christmas in 1984 when lightning and heavy winds seriously damaged the spire. An attempt at repair went wrong and led to a partial collapse, causing even more damage to the building. It took 3 years for the landmark to be restored to its former glory. As I say, this was a spur of the moment stop off at Clifton Campville, and I'm afraid I didn't get a chance to have a look around at ground level. I would make the observation that the housing estate that you can see towards the bottom left now is an example of when planning decisions go badly wrong. There's not a lot else I can say about the village really. However, there is an active local history group and their website cliftoncampville.com contains a lot of information about the village and its surrounding area. So on that note, I'll shut up and let you enjoy the rest of this flight. Right, the battery's getting low, so it's almost time to land. Thank you for watching this Mavic Mini flight over Clifton Campville in Staffordshire, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.